Come here, bud. Oh, really? Well, hi. What were you saying? Yeah? You were talking to me? What do you want to talk about? Oh, you're such a big boy. Whoa. You're such a big boy. Standing up and walking. Hi, dude. Where's your toys? Where's your toys? Baylor, where's your toys? Go get your book. Where's your book? You're kind of close, bud. Where's your book? I'm just gonna grind your teeth. Baylor. Can you say yay? Can you say yay? You do patty cake? Baylor. You do patty cake? Patty cake, baker's man. What?
This is my weapon.
Really? Hi.
I usually fight with
What are you doing? Oh, are you pooping? Oh, awesome. Are you pooping for the camera? Okay. Hi. Where's Baylor? Where's your toys? Show me your stuff. Go show me your goods. Where's your toys? You're kind of goofy looking, aren't you? Whoa. Whoa. Do you stink? Do you stink now? We gotta change your diaper. You hear the boys outside? Do you hear the kids? Yeah.
Come on, Beans. Come on.
Oh, gotta sit down.
Are you coming to clean?
He's gonna walk off.
Are you coming to clean? You gotta sit down. You gotta sit down.